Hey guys, so if you're looking for bypassing the Discord ban, the only way how you can primarily do it to bypass the Discord ban is that if you are going to create a new account and for example like new IP address and don't use the same number. So someone wrote here, yeah, I joined a ban server with an O and then my dumbass entered in my phone number I used for ban and it instantly banned me. Just don't verify phone. Then the only way to get past the verify phone is to convince support that the text message is not being sent. And this is something that you want to do. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.